Hey guys, welcome back to my second channel. As requested by Stevenson, I'm going to react to Tiana's sneezing problem, part 1. Without no further introduction, let's do it.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited to visit more.
Right, Tania. And I think we should visit
Chop
all
Cat,
the places in the
Nesquik
park.
Bunny, and
Oh,
Casey.
like what? I know. We should just think of something. Yeah. What do you think, Tania?
Well, I'm thinking about, achoo!
Oh!
Gosh, are you alright,
You
Tania?
okay?
Yes, Cookie, I'm okay. Achoo! Oh my gosh, I don't feel so good, guys.
Okay, maybe we should go tell the others. I think we need some help.
I love having fun at Chucky Con.
That could be the worst love I've ever got. Hey guys, we got a problem. What is it? It's Tania. She's sneezing. Oh, crud.
Oh no.
Hi, Tania. What's wrong?
I don't feel so good, guys.
Tell us, Dr.
Oh, there's
Mario.
Dr. Mario.
Is he gonna be okay? I believe so. But I think Tania Soria has a case of the sniffles. The sniffles? Did you say the sniffles? Yes, the sniffles.
The sniffles?
The sniffles.
The sniffles?
The sniffles?
The sniffles.
The sniffles, huh?
The sniffles?
The sniffles. That was me.
You heard me. The sniffles.
Why did I get the sniffles?
Because all the grass, trees, and the leaves and the air give some people the sniffles. They're called allergies. Wow, I never thought of that one before. Well, that too, Top Cat. But here's the tissue or the nose that you can blow on it, and you better find a way to make you feel better. So I'll see you later, okay?
Bye, Dr.
I don't get it. I never getting the sniffles, but, achoo!
What? Good
Before?
thinking.
Well, Tania, I guess you gotta get some sleep.
Alright, I'll get some sleep. Achoo!
Ew.
Bless you. Okay, I think we need an emergency meeting right now. I'll get her blankets, and I'll get the pillows.
Guys, we've got a problem with Tiana.
We know it, Mommy. We gotta find a
Tania.
way to make her feel better.
Guys, how are we gonna cure Tania's sniffles? To make her feel better is to make chicken soup.
It's not the
Good
one from
idea,
Lobster's the best
Veronica.
medicine.
I didn't know she was a common genius.
Well, there's some at the store.
Right.
Okay, guys. Now here's what we're gonna do. Since Tania's feeling under the weather right now due to her sniffles, we're gonna make her some chicken soup. Now, I deeply apologize if it's starting to offend Helen Henny in the process, but that will for sure make Tania feel better.
Now, this will be a better cure for this one.
That's not good.
Not awkward
And the laughter is
enough.
the best medicine.
Alright,
And Pasquale was
I got
sick
a
and
perfect
dead.
way to cure Tanya's sneezing problem. Is to make some music. Okay? And I got the radio right here, and I'm gonna sing it to her. Hey Tanya, you know how I do when you were sick? I play a song for you. Tanya, you're not feeling good, and I feel like a good friend should. And if you want to get better fast, check out my cool little birdie dance.
Oh no.
Wow, bless you. Jeez,
Bless you.
Jesus is getting off limits.
Yeah, it's getting off limits too. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed for this video. And Tiana Stevenson, if you're watching this, I deeply apologize that I haven't done doing your Stray Kids skit video for a while. I hope you upload the part 2 for the video very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not watching my previous video, I just upload Chucky's Dance of the Week, Balando, and other cool stuff. Thanks for watching, buddy. 151st update video for CC's channel will be my next video. We'll see you all later for more videos every day. Bye, guys.